Okay, honestly, I don't want to go back to school. Currently 9 o'clock and it is very hot in Windhoek. Day of school. How do you feel? How do you feel first day of school? Hi guys, it's Sórté, your favorite Namibian YouTuber. Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute, I know, since I last posted. But anyways, today's Thursday, for 6th of Feb, and I have to get my ass ready. I'm still in the north. I need to get back to school. Okay, honestly, I don't want to go back to school, but it needs to be done. It has to be done. So it's time for me to go get my hair done. So say goodbye to the curls. Oh, my babies. Sorry. Good morning, happy Sunday. It is currently 9 o'clock and it is very hot in Windhoek. On this Sunday morning it is very hot, but yeah, I got here on Friday morning around 6 a.m. and I spent my whole Friday like at my cousin's place, and now Saturday I was busy with shopping, getting ready, and I also did my hair. I got my hair cut, like I did my hair at the north, but I got my hair cut here. So I pretty much spent the whole day running around. And now it's Sunday and I have to get ready because tomorrow, Monday, my ass is going back to school. It's currently 4 p.m. and it's about to rain. I already took a shower. I took a nap after the cleaning. Currently watching a movie, watching Damsel. I just can't get enough of that movie, guys. Like, it was the shit. So I need to rewatch that movie. Anyways, it's about to rain. Let me continue with my movie. This is literally Windhoek every day, like rain. First day of school. How do you feel? How do you feel first day of school? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me just go to class. I don't know. See how empty. So we are the only ones here. Oh. Boring. No? Window shopping. Finally. January to December. Look at the camera. Good morning. So it is the next day. So when I went to school, they told us the official school starts next week. Like we do have classes this week, but there's late registration going on, and all these like lectures are just busy with the first year students. So now they told us official school starts next week. Oh, and I woke up literally at 5 a.m. I woke up at 5 to go to school, and then they tell me there's no school. But at least I got to spend time with my friends, and yeah, I guess. Anyways, I'll see you in my next video next time. Bye.